warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Salam.
So my name is Muhammad Barul Ulum. I'm here with.
And I'm Dilan Fitra Ramadan.
Okay, so we are going to doing some interview for linguistic assignment. So Agilam, I have a few questions for you.
Okay.
So why do you learn English?
Okay. I think I'm learning in English because I think it is very important for my future. Like English is used globally. I want to have better job opportunities. Also, I want to be able to communicate with people from different countries and understand different cultures. Sometimes I also enjoy watching movies and listening music in English. So I want to understand them without subtitles.
Okay, that's a good answer, Agilam. Okay, how about when do you feel nervous when you are learning English?
I usually feel nervous when I have to speak English in front of many people. Especially in class presentations, I'm afraid that I will make mistakes or people will not understand me. Also, when someone speaks too fast, I feel anxious because I cannot catch very well.
Okay, that's a good answer, Agilam. So what about what feels easy or difficult for you, Agilam?
For me, listening is easier than speaking because I can guess the meaning from context. Reading is also okay, but speaking is difficult because I need to think about grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation at the same time.
There are many people who have problems with speaking. Okay, the last question is, how do you learning English with what method?
I usually watch English movies and YouTube videos. I also try to repeat what the speaker say to improve my pronunciation. Sometimes I practice speaking with my friends, although not very often. I also use apps to learn new vocabulary.
Do you learn English with podcast also?
Yes, I also do.
Okay, thank you Agilam. Thank you so much for your time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Barul Ulum. I'm here with.
And I'm Muhammad Iqbal Syarif.
Okay, Kak Iqbal. So I have an assignment for interview. So this is a linguistic assignment. So I have a few questions for you. The first question is, why do you learn English?
I study English because it is an international language and it helps me to communicate with different people in other countries. And I think English was help my conversation to become
Better speaker.
a better speaker.
I agree with you, Iqbal. So the second question is, when do you feel nervous when you are speaking or learning English?
However, I sometimes feel nervous when I have to speak English, especially in front of many people or during presentation in class. I feel afraid of making mistakes such as using the wrong grammar or vocabulary. Because of that, I sometimes feel lost confidence when speaking. But I try to stay calm and remind myself that making mistakes are the part of the learning process.
Okay, I agree with you, Iqbal. What about you? Do you have some question, Fauzi?
What feels easy or difficult?
For me, the easy part of learning English is listening and understanding simple conversation, especially from movies or songs. However, the difficult part is speaking fluently and using the correct grammar because I'm afraid of making mistakes.
That's so true. How about the last question, Fauzi?
How do you study?
How I study English by practicing every day. I usually watch movies, listening to music, or reading in comic maybe.
Okay.
I read comic and novel in English language and try to speak in English with my friends. Simple conversation with my friends.
Okay, thank you, Iqbal, for your time. Thank you so much. Good Barul. I'm here with.
My name is Wajir Rahmatullah.
And
I'm Rafa.
today we are going to doing some interview for linguistic assignment. So I have a few questions for you, Kak.
Okay.
So my first question is, why do you learning English?
Because English is international communication and it helped me communicate with people from different countries and cultures. And I enjoy learning English because it helped me understand movies or music and social media. Enough?
Okay. The second question is, I think there are some people is nervous when learning English. How about you? When do you feel nervous?
Maybe I think I feel nervous when I speak English in the class because I'm not confident.
Okay, that's a good answer. I agree with you, Kak. So, I also feel nervous when I'm doing some presentation in front of the class.
Yes.
So yeah. By the way, the third question is, what feels easy or feels difficult for you when you are learning English?
Oh my god. In my opinion, English difficult because I don't like English. Sorry, miss. And especially in grammar. I don't like it.
Yeah, I agree with you. Grammar is so boring and
Difficult.
confusing.
Yes.
When we are doing some writing assignment, it makes us think twice.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I think
Yeah, grammar is hard.
yeah,
Yeah.
so hard.
Yes. So hard. Okay, the last question is maybe, how do you learning English, with what method? For me, I'm learning English with listening to music or watching movies. How about you?
I'm studying English with Duolingo.
Oh, Duolingo. This is
Every day I use Duolingo because it helps me learn vocabulary and practice grammar.
okay. That's a great answer. I also have a time there. I learn English with Duolingo also. So yeah,
I use Duolingo every day.
every single day you use.
Yes, I
Okay.
use Duolingo.
Okay, thank you, Kak, for your time. So,
First you both go out your way and the vibe is feeling strong. And what's small turn to a friendship turn to a bond. And that bond will never be broken, the love will never get lost. And when brotherhood come first, then the line will never be crossed. Established it on our own when that line had to be drawn. And that line is what we reach, so remember me when I'm gone. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side. And now you gon' be with me for the last ride. Let the light guide your way. Yeah. Hold every memory as you go, and every road you take